Monika Schleier-Smith. Monika Schleier-Smith is an American experimental physicist studying many-body quantum physics by precisely assembling systems of ultracold atoms. These atomic, molecular, and optical physics MO-engineered systems have applications in quantum sensing, coherent control, and quantum computing. Schleier-Smith is an associate professor of physics at Stanford University, a Sloan Research Fellow, and a National Science Foundation Career Award recipient. Schleier-Smith also serves on the board of directors for the Hertz Foundation. Life and career. Schleier-Smith's research career began an opportunity to do nanotechnology research at the MITRE Corporation while she was a student at Thomas Jefferson High School for Science and Technology in Alexandria, Virginia. She went on to attend Harvard University as an undergraduate, receiving a BA in chemistry and physics and secondarily mathematics in 2005. Afterwards, Schleier-Smith pursued graduate studies with the supervision of Vladimir Diletic at MIT on a National Science Foundation Graduate Research Fellowship. Her PhD thesis introduced a quantum-enhanced atomic clock and was recognized by the Hertz Foundation with a doctoral thesis prize. During her time in Boston, Schleier-Smith also completed the Boston Marathon 6 times. Subsequently, Schleier-Smith conducted postdoctoral research at LMU Munich and Max Planck Institute of Quantum Optics. In the fall of 2013, Schleier-Smith joined the Stanford faculty as an assistant professor of physics. The Schleier-Smith lab exploits precise hybrid light-matter interactions to demonstrate engineered dynamics in cold atom systems. According to Schleier-Smith, hybrid systems are likely to harbor surprises that will fuel quantum science for decades to come. An important regime under investigation is the entanglement frontier. She is a recipient of the 2019 Presidential Early Career Award for Scientists and Engineers. In 2020, Schleier was awarded a MacArthur Fellowship in recognition of her work. In 2021, Schleier received the I. Prize in Atomic, Molecular, and Optical Physics for her work in quantum optics. In 2021, Schleier was named a Fellow of the American Physical Society. Recognition and awards. Alfred P. Sloan Research Fellowship, Alfred P. Sloan Foundation 2014, a Foster Young Investigator Award, Air Force Office of Scientific Research 2014, Hellman Fellowship, Hellman Fellows Fund 2015, Cottrell Scholar Award, Research Corporation 2017, NSF Career Award, National Science Foundation 2018, Presidential Early Career Award for Scientists and Engineers PECASE Department of Defense 2019, MacArthur Fellowship, MacArthur Foundation 2020. In 2020, I. Prize in Atomic, Molecular, and Optical Physics, American Physical Society 2021, and Fellow of the American Physical Society 2021,